Hi everyone, Mr. Eric Kwa here, founder of Mr. Khemistry. Hope you're enjoying the videos that I've made for you specially. Remember to tap that like button and to click subscribe and to share with your friends if you found any of these videos useful or interesting. I look forward to seeing you around. Let's get started with today's topic. Okay, so for part 2, right, you got to use VSEPR to deduce the shape. Okay, so use VSEPR to deduce the shape. So from your dot and cross, you know that there's 2 bond pair and 1 lone pair. This is the one that's often left out, central atom. Okay, so you need to tell the examiner, I know the 2 bond pairs and 1 lone pair is around central kin atom. Okay, it's also important to differentiate bond pair and lone pair rather than just telling the examiner 3 electron pair. Okay, don't do that here. Okay, it's important to differentiate. Okay, to minimize repulsion, the 3 electron pairs directed to corner of a equilateral triangle. Okay, the rest of the electron pair, right? If you have 2 electron pair, you're going to say opposite ends. Okay, if you have 4 electron pair, you're going to say tetrahedron. 5 electron pair, you're going to say trigonal bipyramidal. Lastly, 6 electron pair, you're going to say octahedron. Okay, so those are the list of all the electron pairs and how they are directed to various shapes. Okay, the next up, you only talk about this if there is a lone pair. If there's no lone pair, you ignore this point. Okay, since there is 1 lone pair, we're going to say lone pair, bond pair, greater than bond pair, repulsion. Okay, so last of all, give the shape bent. Right?